I want to show you a little bit the activity of that we performed in the CLIMITS project, which is performance and usefulness of climate prediction beyond current limitation. The objective of the project has been to improve seasonal prediction through the collaboration between European community and Asian Pacific community by getting together the seasonal forecasting system that has been developed by the two independently by the two communities and getting a new grand ensemble multi-model seasonal prediction system that is expected to improve a lot seasonal predictions. And other objective is to enhance the seasonal forecasts over land areas by enhancing the representation of prediction over land by improving surface vegetation representation. The project was an idea that myself and colleague from Asian American community had a meeting some years ago in South Korea and to get together our system, and has been applied for funding for a Marie Curie fellowship, which was funded in 2011. The project had just ended, and I will show you some of the results later on. The project has been was funded for 2 years. The first one was in Hawaii, University of Hawaii at Manoa, IPRC group, led by Bin Wang. And the second year was the return phase in Italy, in Rome, in Casaccia, Enea. Okay, these are the system that were considered the Asian American system and European system, so that we got 16 seasonal prediction system together to get our multi-model system. And for what concerns the improvement of the coupled model used by IPRC at University of Hawaii, we coupled a new component to the ECAM5 model that is included into the POEM2 coupled model in Hawaii, and the land surface vegetation model included was the French ORCID land surface scheme. Okay, I want to give you some very brief idea of the results that we got in CLIMITS through the grand multi-model that we developed. This is, for instance, a picture of the improvement that we got in terms of prediction skill, and the green one shows you the results of the grand multi-model compared to the American Asian model in red, and in blue the European systems. And as you can see, there's a considerable improvement of the skill, and which is very much promising. So the combination of independent system, as we expected, can lead to a considerable improvement of our prediction skill. This is a map showing the area where there's the major improvement, and there are a lot of improvements over Euro-Mediterranean region, but mostly over continental area, but also North America and Asia, and also tropical areas as well. Very interesting results we are actually getting. And to show you an application, we, in collaboration with the Network Administration for Electricity Demand in Italy, we performed an application of our new multi-model prediction system in terms of potential economical value of the prediction. And to give you an idea of the improvement in terms of economical value of the forecast. Here in blue is the economical value as a function of the cost-loss ratio of the grand multi-model always positive. 0 will mean no usefulness at all, but the forecasts actually are very useful, and the grand multimodal improves significantly compared to the Asian American and in green the European system. These are very interesting results and very promising for the application of climate predictions. A particular focus of our analysis has been over Mediterranean climate zones around the world, and also focusing on short-term seasonal to interannual predictions and the relationship with the monsoon domain, and there will be a few papers to come very soon. And I want to mention very briefly something we did also on the 21st century climate simulations, and a very interesting results that will be published very soon on Nature scientific reports. And this study shows us the Mediterranean climate zones in the world will be shifting northward, as seen by the red contours and shaded areas here, tends to shift north and are replaced to the south by semi-arid and arid climate regions. In particular, the Euro-Mediterranean area, where the southern Mediterranean, Spain, Italy and Greece will be mostly with some probability to be replaced by arid and semi-arid climate here, and the expansion of the probability of Mediterranean climate over northwestern and northeastern region. Even Great Britain seems to have quite chance to become Mediterranean in the future. Similarly, the North America domain will have a northeastward shift toward the cold region, toward the Rocky Mountain, which will become warmer, and so will have some chance to become more interested by kind of Mediterranean climate type that maybe for some of them will be better condition than today. Let's see.